Hello guys! Isang mapagpalang araw po sa inyong lahat. Kumusta kayo guys? Kumusta ang araw natin ngayon guys? Hoping na maayos at mabuti lahat guys, no? Today guys, ako ay magluluto ng spaghetti guys. Spaghetti yummy guys, no? I have here may mga ingredients. I have here 1 pack of Del Monte sweet style spaghetti guys. Yan, isang set na to siya guys, no? Nandito na yung ating pasta at saka yung kanyang sauce. Then I have here also my 3 pieces na tender juicy hot dog. Then I used Argentina giniling guys, no? Ito yung aking pangsahog mamaya guys. Then I have also my Reno liver sprayed Reno. Then 2 cans of Angel Evaporada. Then I have also my queso, pang mix ko mamaya guys. Tsaka yung aking pork cubes at magic syrup. Then yung ating spices guys, yung ating sibuyas at bawang. Then I have also here my black pepper. So ito guys, no, simpleng lutong bahay lang guys, no, pero masarap na to guys pang merienda. So again guys, welcome to my vlog. Welcome to Jess's Kitchen. Hey! And guys, manood na tayo sa aking lulutuing spaghetti. Pasta spaghetti guys. Yan na guys, pinakulo kong water. Lagyan natin ng kunting mantika or cooking oil. Then a little bit of salt. Then we'll add our Del Monte spaghetti pasta. Guys. Ayan.
Ayun.
Okay guys. Here is my pasta. Yeah. We'll wait about 30 to 40 minutes cooking about this to make it lambot or cook guys, no? Okay guys, yan. Okay guys, ito yung aking hotdog, tender juicy hotdog guys, no? Yes. Our sibuyas. Yung ating bawang guys, no? Bawang guys, no? Then yung ating Argentina giniling guys. Yan. So marami ito guys, no? Ito yung big size ng Argentina. So hindi na tayo bibili ng yung hilaw pa guys. Ito ready na to guys, no? Saka marami na guys, no? Yan. Argentina giniling. Luto na to siya guys, no? Yung pang mix natin sa ating pasta spaghetti guys. Then yung ating Reno liver spread guys. Yan, yung pang pasarap guys, no? Ito guys, no? Yung ating Reno. So So pwede rin to siya palaman ng tinapay guys, no? Ay, masarap to. Ayan. Okay guys, ito na yung ating pasta. No? Maluluto na siya guys, no? Almost 90% na. It's about 25 minutes in medium heat. Yan. Okay guys. So, palamigin muna natin to guys, no? Bago natin i-prepare na yung ibang ingredients pa. Okay guys, almost na luto na talaga guys, no? So as you can see guys, no, kahit medyo maliit, konti na lang yung sabaw natin, hindi siya nagdikit-dikit guys, no, due to sa ating mantika na nilagay guys, no, yung ating cooking oil. So yun ang purpose noon guys. Then a little bit of salt ang nilagay natin. Guys, luto na guys. Isit aside ko muna para sa ibang ingredients na aking isusute guys. Ito na yung ating pasta guys, no, luto na siya guys, no, naka-drain na siya. So mamaya i-mix ko na to sa aking mga gagawing spices at saka sauces guys. Sauce. Guys, I add my little cooking oil. Ayan. Guys, yung ating hotdog. Ipin natin guys, no? Yan yung ating luya, bawang, yan na yung ating giniling guys. We'll add black pepper. Yan. Then we'll add our sweet style spaghetti sauce guys. Yan. Sweet style Del Monte spaghetti sauce. We'll add salt guys, no? Then we'll add our pork cubes guys. So. Then kunting magic sarap kunti guys, no? Ang palasa lang. Yan. Then we'll add our levers, Reno lever spread guys. Mix lang natin guys, no? Medyo palutuin natin tong sauce guys, no? Bago natin ilagay yung ating pasta. Then again, mag-add ako kunti ng black pepper. Yan. Okay. Mamaya-maya guys, kung luto na yung ating sauce, ilagay na natin yung ating ibap milk. Yan. Then we'll add our deli queso cheese guys. Yan. Yan, dagdag lasa to guys, no? Guys, malapit na maluto yung ating pinaka sauce guys, no? Yung spaghetti sauce. Ayan, mix lang natin. Add ako ng kunting sugar guys. Ayan. Almost guys, no? Malapit na ang aking pasta, spaghetti pasta. Guys, no? Guys. Then, i-add ko yung aking angel. I-buff. Yan. Completo ricados guys, no? Yan. Bago ko ilagay yung ating pinakapasta guys, no? So, bago ang lahat guys, tikman muna natin. Lasahan muna natin kung tama lang ba ang ating timpla na hindi siya maalat, hindi rin siya matabang. Guys. So medium heat lang tayo guys, no? Kumusta kayo dyan mga kababayan sa ibang bansa? Welcome to Jesus Kitchen. Sa mga malalamig na lugar guys, no? Ang sarap nito guys, kakain yung mainit pa na spaghetti. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe guys sa aking channel, Jesus Kitchen. Hey, hey, hey! Guys, guys, luto na yung ating pinaka sauce at saka yung ating milk guys, no? Tikman muna natin kung tama lang ba ang ating timpla. Okay guys, tamang tama lang. Yan. So i-mix na natin yung ating pinaka pasta guys, no? Yan. Yan na guys. Guys, mix lang ng mix guys, no, para parehas yung pagkat halo guys. Then we'll add our hotdog natin guys. Guys, wow, sa amoy pa lang guys, oh, agoy kalami gyud. Ayan na guys ang ating spaghetti. Okay guys, we'll add a little bit of queso or cheese. A little bit of black pepper again. Yan. Okay guys, luto na ang ating spaghetti guys. Isiset ko na to guys, no? Ayan guys, oh. Mainit na mainit pa guys. Salamat sa inyong panonood sa aking video guys. Again, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe sa aking channel, Jesus Kitchen. Hey, hey, hey! Guys, ito na yung ating pasta guys, no? Yung ating spaghetti. Ayan. Lagyan lang natin ng kunting toppings guys, no? Ating hotdog. Yan. Then yung ating pinaka-cheese guys. Hey, hey, hey! Okay guys, ito na. Mainit na mainit pa guys, no? Umuusok pa. Salamat sa iyong panonood sa aking video, sa aking nilutong spaghetti. Hey, hey, hey! Bye bye guys, and God bless sa inyong lahat.